Hello, everyone. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to back again to my video. I am Nurkalis from MNJ22DX class with NPM 22411021. In this video, I will discuss about income. Let's see the video.
Most of us work hard for our money, dedicating countless hours to our jobs and professions. We earn a salary or wages, which is the reward for our hard work and effort. This money is our income, the financial means that support our daily lives and future goals. Income tax is a portion of our earnings that we pay to the government. It's a mandatory contribution. Think of it like this. When you buy something at the store, you pay sales tax, which is added to the price of goods and services. Income tax is similar, but it applies to the money you earn from your job or business activities. The government uses our income tax money for essential services. These services benefit everyone. Some examples are roads, schools, and hospitals. These institutions are vital for our community's well-being and development. Income tax is a crucial part of a functioning society. It ensures that public services are funded and maintained. By understanding how it works, we can become more informed citizens. Knowledge about income tax helps us appreciate its importance. We can also make better financial decisions for ourselves, ensuring that we manage our money wisely and plan for the future. Why do we pay income tax? The simple answer is that it is the law, but more importantly, it's how we contribute to our community and country. Imagine a town with no income tax. The roads would be full of potholes, schools would lack resources, hospitals might not have enough doctors and nurses. Income tax allows the government to fund these essential services. It ensures that everyone has access to basic necessities. Paying income tax is a civic responsibility. It's a way to give back and help create a better society for everyone. Calculating income tax can seem complicated, but the basic idea is simple. Understanding the process can help you manage your finances better and avoid any surprises during tax season. The amount of tax you owe depends on how much money you earn in a year. Your total income includes wages, salaries, bonuses, and any other earnings. The government uses a system called tax brackets. These brackets are designed to ensure that people with higher incomes pay a higher percentage in taxes. Each bracket has a different tax rate. For example, lower income levels might be taxed at a lower rate, while higher income levels are taxed at higher rate. As you earn more, you move into a higher tax bracket. This means that only the income within each bracket is taxed at the corresponding rate. Let's say the first tax bracket is 10% for income up to $10,000. This means that if your income falls within this range, you will be taxed at 10% for that portion. If you earn $8,000, you would pay 10% of that, which is $800 in income tax. This is just for the income within that bracket. Don't worry, you won't pay that percentage on all your income. The tax system is designed to be fair and progressive. Only the amount within each bracket is taxed at that rate. For example, if you move into a higher bracket, only the income above the previous bracket's limit is taxed at the higher rate. There are deductions and credits that can lower your tax bill too. These can include things like mortgage interest, student loan interest, and various other eligible expenses. Using tax software or consulting with a tax professional can help you identify all the deductions and credits you qualify for, ensuring you pay the least amount of tax legally possible. Section 4. Real-life examples of income tax. Let's look at some real-life examples to understand income tax better. Imagine Sarah is a teacher earning $40,000 per year. John is a doctor earning $150,000 per year. Both Sarah and John pay income tax, but John pays a higher percentage of his income because he earns more. This is because of the tax brackets we discussed earlier. This system ensures that everyone contributes fairly to the funding of public services. Those who can afford to pay more do. Section 5. Benefits of paying income tax. Paying income tax might not be the most exciting thing, but it has significant benefits. Remember those roads, schools, and hospitals we talked about? They rely heavily on our tax dollars. Education, healthcare, infrastructure. These are just a few areas that benefit from income tax revenue. It's an investment in our communities and our future. When we pay our income tax, we contribute to a better quality of life for everyone. It's a fundamental part of being a responsible citizen. Section 6. Key takeaways. Income tax may seem complicated, But it's based on a simple idea: contributing to the common good. When we pay our taxes, we are essentially pooling our resources together to support the infrastructure and services that we all rely on every day. We all benefit from public services, and income tax is how we fund them. Remember these key takeaways. Public services like transportation, education, and safety are crucial for a functioning society. Income tax is a portion of our earnings paid to the government. This deduction is reflected in our paychecks and is calculated based on our income level. It funds essential services like schools, roads, and healthcare. These services are vital for our daily lives and ensure that we have access to education, safe roads, and medical care when we need it. The amount of tax we pay depends on our income level. Higher earners pay a higher percentage, which helps to balance the economic scales and provide for those who earn less. Paying income tax is a civic duty and benefits society as a whole. It ensures that everyone contributes their fair share to the community, fostering a sense of shared responsibility and mutual support. By understanding income tax, we can be more informed about where our money goes and how it contributes to our communities. This knowledge empowers us to make better financial decisions and appreciate the role we play in sustaining public services,